So number three in our sort of board observation series, where I'm trying to take some of the genericized sort of observations and learnings that I've seen through sitting on lots and lots of board meetings of scaling businesses to try and help people understand where bottlenecks and problems might be. And number three is, really related to sales and marketing and critically to CRM. So, often in a board meeting, you'll really struggle to get good sales reporting. And that really plays very, very much into the reality that, perhaps the business hasn't properly developed its sales and marketing engine, which is a separate conversation, but critically can't do reporting because it hasn't set up CRM properly. So CRM is maybe talked about but not used properly. It's under-resourced. Pipeline data, therefore, is unreliable. There's no revenue attribution. The pipeline narrative is really missing, and the lead qualification probably doesn't exist. So the structure really should center on CRM and its resourcing, and often doesn't. So the business can say that it's invested in CRM, but in reality it's sort of skipped the operating model around it. So deals are logged in consistently, there's no particular owner, and there's no KPIs set to it, the attribution is absent, nobody truly owns it. So again, start with the people bit, put a good person in it, then help them make sure that they have experience in building good process around CRM. And then critically the reporting that comes out of it, because that's what the board will see. And of course, the board observation is pipeline reporting is not very good, but then if you dig into it, the problem is often CRM, so the technology, and then the people, systems and processes around it, which means that the sales and marketing engine needs maturing. So it's often a really interesting way to be able to see that problem from a different perspective. But that's the thing that you need to design well, particularly if you're thinking about building enterprise value.